Hi friends, welcome back to the new video of Magento 2. Today we are going to learn about how to add the shipping text area. So we are going to add text area to the shipping methods. So let's see how we are going to use it. So let me log in. Let me run the commands first and I will explain the things. Compile. Okay, so here with this project community, open with the folder, run this command. Meanwhile, we will check the code. Let's complete it. Meanwhile, those who haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and hit to like this video. Okay, so here we go with this one. Now we run the permissions and that's all. Paste this, enter. Now we are going to check about localhost Magento 5 no 4 project community up admin. Okay, moving to the next part. Here we go with the stores, configuration, shipping methods, where is sales, shipping methods, delivery methods, right? Here we have flat rate. You can see that custom message. You can add hello world, anywhere, anything else, and you can save these configurations. So you can see that, and but whenever you want such kind of custom message like this is above this price, that price, so you can add such custom message and show that in a front end. So how we are going to use it? Let's have a look of it. So we have go with the app code project shipping text area etc admin html system.xml. So basically this we need to add just this one table rate. We have take it out the group table rate, and we have field id custom id, then this text area. That's it, nothing else. And this is the carriers that we are going to add it, right? If it is flat rate, it is table rate, or free shipping. So we will add it accordingly, right? Whether in in-store delivery, ups or something, you can just add it over here and show that custom field to any of the shipping methods and get anywhere else. And you want to show a custom message, you can show it anywhere. Okay, so thank you so much. That's it for now. Those who haven't subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and hit like to this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.